everyone, and welcome to Jamboree TV. Because, first of all, I really kind of wanted to start off on the Jamboree TV thing. At some point, we'll do a Jamboree, an actual Jamboree thing. And if my faithful friends bring their switches to here, I might consider doing that. Doing game share. Actually, there's no way I could do game share. Very good point. Anyways, let's do Jamboree TV. Okay, I did not expect that stupid flower to. Welcome to Jamboree TV. How do you like to play? I do like to play. Yeah, I like giving them like this gangster type voice for the Koopa. Because it has a little cap on there. It's local. How many folks will be playing? One. I don't have a camera, and I'm not exactly planning to do that. So, generally. Welcome everyone to Jamboree TV. Alright. You have multiple options of playable characters, but generally we're gonna play as Mario. Mario because he's the main boy. It's so weird just seeing the same one character go across that screen. I might play this with someone else, but not like not recording. This game is actually pretty cool. We're not playing Mario Party because generally. Anyways, we're gonna actually go on the carnival coaster because it's played with one Joy-Con on two. Ooh, controller. I'm gonna move my keyboard out of the way. Hey, alright. Give me a second. There we go. Voila.
Good luck, everyone.
Good luck. What do you mean by good luck? Anyways. Yes. If you didn't already know, this could be used as a mouse. Layer settings. Select layer. The CPU, I'm gonna make Luigi, just because it's the second one, so next one I'll make it Luigi, and then Peach. It's gonna be a whole thing. Okay, current players. Make sure the strap isn't. They know me well? I don't put on the strap at all. Anyways, I put on the strap now, so I'm actually gonna. Yeah, cause you're honestly.
And we're off.
Yeah, I guess we are. Oh, is this the first? Is this anyone's?
Is this anyone's first time? I'm riding a coaster.
My gosh. Welcome back to my Toad voice. Yes, because you guys.
We just opened, but I'll admit, we're having a little trouble. That's keep popping up along the track and keeping anyone from finishing the whole course. So I have a favor to ask you. you get to the goal,
There.
it would mean a lot out if you could make a roller coaster safe to ride. So,
Oh gosh, that's not tote.
safe to ride. Would you like to hear the rules? Would you like to hear the rules? Would you like to hear the rules?
Yes.
Aim carefully at the best. And hit them with balls using LR. You get a time boost if you take out all of them. You can get another time boost by putting your hands in the air when you go down. Oh no! Our mini game will start. When you enter a point.
Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. Our voice acting is tote is terrible.
Minigame. Minigames are a great opportunity to get a time boost. Work together to come back safely. All right, everyone, time to set out.
Oh gosh. Anyways, we're doing that coaster right there. Shut up. No, nobody likes you. I mean, there might be some people in this world like this stupid flower, but I don't. Anyways, now we gotta kill everything in our way.
Luigi, you gotta listen to me. We gotta do this.
Mini. Okay, hold up. Oh, what in the world? Give me a sec. This is a little hard. Thank you. Thank you. I suck at this game. Like always. Alright. Also, the mini games are terrible with mouse controls. So far as B.
Round 2.
Okay. Nice.
Final round.
We got the gold one. We got the gold one. A is nice. A. Alright, time to kill some more bats. Die. I really wish I would do this with multiple people, but generally I would. Trust me, I would if they were here. Oh yeah, right. I remember doing this the first time. This is actively hard.
Luigi, get in there. Yeah, buddy.
2. Alright. Alright. I know the premise of this game already. Eddie, I've done this before. Ah! Are you kidding me? Okay, Luigi, you got what? one in. I don't know what's up with me today, everybody, but generally. Okay. Nuh-uh. I'm getting at least one. Luigi, you're gonna have to cook for me. No, don't tell me that. Okay, you know, y'all, any of you remember the Luigi wins without doing anything in things? That's just straight up it. This is straight up it. It, but different. Like, I'm just saying that's basically what this is. And I'm going to do one thing called whoops. Whoops. Ow. Yep. You're annoying in Wonder, but you probably will play someday, to be honest. It's cool how it has a little bit of a... I'll probably play Jamboree before I do that, but... I'm not sure. Sure, it's just dependent on what's doing good at the moment. It's actually really cool.
Start.
Graffiti paint. Sorry, I'm kind of... I don't know why for some reason I'm just straight up strapped in like this. If you haven't checked out my Bonanza thing, that would be very much appreciated. My Bonanza playthrough, which is currently going on. Which I may or may not continue at some point. I really don't know. Oh, it just depends on what I'm feeling. Been done. Thank you. Rank B is okay.
Oh, hey, be careful.
I'm sorry, I needed to land that.
I've been overwatered.
Kill all the fish.
We did it. Excellent.
That was great. That was great. All right. That was great. That was great. Hey, let me get the strap off me. which state would you like to play next? I'm not really interested in playing. I could have toggled it the whole time. Yeah. Yeah. They got credits for this? Why I got credits? Anyways, I think we're really gonna... I think that's probably gonna be it for today's episode of... today's part of Jamboree TV. You see you all next time. You all next time. And if you want to see more content like this, like and subscribe. Right, because I upload basically daily. So anyways, see you guys next time. Bye-bye.